Today I'm playing Build a Boat. If you've watched the part 1, I don't think... if it's even public. I'm white. I'm white team. Okay, I don't know about it. But first, let's build a basic boat. A very basic boat. And like this. And now it should be good. Now we can add the tires, which is way down here. Back tires go here. And the other direction obviously go here. Blah blah blah. Instructions of how to build this. If you actually want to know, it's very simple. And then let's just take one of those. Let's do this. And let's add a lever that people will try to flick, but it absolutely does nothing. Whoopsie. I accidentally deleted it. Why can't I wear you? Oh, because I will get in a glitched area if I do. Let's just put this on. Okay, I think I need to do it when the boat is launched. Let's just do magnet. And let's just save it. Save. Here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Whee. Oh, I have the best idea design for next time. Wait. I'm in the tire stage and I have tires. Whoopsie. No, okay, anyway, I have a design idea. Okay, let's build my second idea. First, we need to place these down. These down. And let's delete this. And we have to line it up perfectly. And now let's just do this. Wonder how many it is. Okay, 4. Let's just call someone. You want to call?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Browse with your voice. Ask questions about what's on the page as you explore with co-player mode and Edge. What? do you mean? The edge just said suggested, and the thing that I just read.
What?
Edge. It just said something in the bottom of my screen. Disappeared.
Is it gone? Is it gone? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Should I stream what I'm doing?
Yeah, if you want to.
I'm gonna do it. Are you watching? You don't have to.
Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah, I can see it now.
Do you think I'm filming?
Probably. Probably.
Well, guess what? I'm not. Totally.
You're not? You're not?
I am.
Oh. Oh.
Why else would I say totally like that? I already used 50 blocks. Hopefully that's correct. Do you think that's about right? First, let me get up here. I said get up here. There, now I'm up. If you can't see. No, I don't want it like that. Please get out of the way. And now I can place blocks. Ugh. Wait, Dad, are you still looking?
Yeah.
I got it wrong
yeah.
again. Finally, it signed up. And now let's not delete it. There. Now I can fill it in. And then I have the build. Yeah, I'm not talking much in the video, Dad.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just doing this. Placing blocks and doing nothing. Now let's just do this. And let's add a hinge. T. Now let's add a magnet. What happens if we turn it on? Let's just delete the magnet. Let's spawn this. Just in case. And we're gonna spawn this. And grab one. Are you even looking?
Yeah, you're making a making a table boat.
A car table. Always need to get a save of this. Saves.
Oh, Mom's calling. Hang on. Mom's calling. Hang on, I gotta talk.
150th thing. And now we can finally launch. Actually, it's pretty nice. This is actually. I think this is four-wheel drive. There. Now we can... Okay, I don't want to lose it in the first stage. No. Please get me to the second stage. I need to balance it. Okay. Yeah, I officially made it to this stage. Let's just do this the rest of the way. And over. Oh, wait, we're going backward. Why can you fall through? Then. There. Let's walk to the end. How did I already unlock these two? Okay, that took 0 damage. Oh, now it does. Let's just go here. Can this thing even run out of fuel? I feel like it does, but it doesn't show. You gonna get me? Oh, I think they can climb pretty high. This is pretty difficult if I was actually doing it. Okay, this is gonna take a while. So just stay here, don't leave. Is that a Roblox logo? Okay, this is gonna be the thing for the picture. What? You can't do that? Well, at least just let me get a picture. Oh, it can run out of fuel. Let's just do this as the picture. And now we can die. We're gonna walk the rest of the way. At least I got a lot of gold. What? What? That's actually a pretty good build. No, I don't want it. Oh, let's just get to the end somehow. Let's just build the world's best boat. Let's change to blue. see if he accepts it. There, I just sent a couple of stuff. What did I just find? Oh! Oh, I see. Saves. Load. Rainbow. Why don't you put me in the seat? Okay, that's pretty useful. How do you get sat launch? Yeah, kill me. Kill me when I'm trying to get on my boat. Why didn't you kill me? Oh, wait, you did. Oh, it already loaded. How convenient. And let's just grab this and let's launch. Oh, I heard something. I'm gonna call him back soon. Just about. They can't be damaged, are they? Let's just hope this works. This is what we're being held up by. This is what we're being held up by. Wait, we're not even on land. Oh. Okay. My boat is freaking the game out. There, I found the glitch. Okay, let's just die. Die, die, die. Let's go looking for people. Let's just leave the game and go to this dude and join his community and leave his community. Gee, that's a big community. Other place. Alexa, stop. We're not gonna have it be that long. It's gonna be longer. Let's just join this person's game and let's get in. Okay, let's just go in a random server. There, now that we're in it. 1x, 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 x, x, x1. Oh, wait. And then text that I already have one. Okay, anyway, let's go. Launch, 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 launch. Whoops, 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 whoops. I just can't pull the weight. Wow, they're weak. What if we break some stuff? Break, break! Don't reach the end unexpectedly. Break! Actually, yeah, I want them broken. Bit of weight removed. Now take over. There we go. What? Still not strong enough. Yeah, just in case. And just stop trying to kill me. Okay, now can you lift? Oh, now you can lift. But we're not going forward. Come on, kill me, guys. Okay, that's about it for today's video. Like, I'm not ending it. Or every 3-day video. I think that's a better phrase. Okay. Now let's do this. Wow. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now just let me build. In peace. You know how I said we're not going to be editing for a couple of weeks? Turn that into decades. I mean, turn that into years and then turn that into months and then turn that into years and then turn that into decades and then turn that into centuries. Okay, only a couple of those were supposed to be placed. Now let's just delete these bad ones. Continue building. And let's fill it in. let's just build this. Build it. Hello? Join the call. Hi. 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 If you're talking, I can't hear you. What? I can't hear you. What? Oh, okay, I don't know what that was. That was weird. Why didn't he talk? What was wrong with my speaker? It is the problem. No, that's not it. Oh, there. 1 block successfully wasted. Success. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna use the same cover that I did for my first video. Let me fix it. I said fix. That now we can do my main plan. Which is do this. Hopefully this won't be easy and not take too long to build. I don't have all day. Give me this. Now we can do back wheel, back wheel, front wheel, front wheel, seat and seat with a motor. And let's go on this. And let's launch. How many will it take to lift this thing in the air? Okay, just let me do them all. I'm not looking where I'm going. I'm just trying to do. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to lift my boat. boat actually works very well, but it seems to not lift. Oh no. My player hitbox was the entire thing. No! I didn't jump last second. Oh no, I'm not gonna